Hello students, how are you all? As we have completed the chapter Poverty as a Challenge, let me summarize the chapter. The most difficult challenge faced by independent India is poverty. India has the largest single concentration of poor in the world, where every fourth person is poor. Social scientists analyzed poverty from many aspects besides level of income and consumption. These aspects include poor level of literacy, lack of job opportunities, etc. Social exclusion and vulnerability are the most commonly used indicators for poverty analysis. Poverty line is an imaginary line used by any country to determine poverty. It varies time to time, place to place, and country to country. The most common method of determining poverty is income or consumption level. The calorific requirement and expenditure per capita are different for urban and rural areas. Survey for determining poverty line are carried out by the National Sample Survey Organization (NSSO). The organization is under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation of the Government of India. Poverty among social groups and economic categories varies widely in India. Female infants, women, and elderly members are not given equal access to resources available to the family. Bihar and Odisha continue to be the two poorest states with poverty ratio of 33.7 and 37.6% respectively. In states like Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, there is significant decline in poverty. The proportion of people living under poverty in different countries is defined by the International Poverty Line, that is, population below $1 a day. There is decline in poverty in Southeast Asia and China due to rapid economic growth and massive investment in human resource development. The Millennium Development Goals of the United Nations, formulated in 2000, call for reducing the proportion of people living on less than $1 a day. There are many causes for the prevalence of poverty in India, like unemployment, low economic development, etc. There is a strong linkage between economic growth and poverty reduction. The Government of India introduced targeted anti-poverty programs starting from 1990. Poverty reduction is still a major challenge in India due to wide difference between regions as well as rural and urban areas.